silence, close mouth.
Mrs Thomas, get in allan, dwi isio pee.
Quiet! If must you go, ask English.
Ond Mrs Thomas, dwi isio.
No English, no pee.
Iawn, os di o eisiau mynd I tŷ bach?
Tŷ bach? Where Jesus Christ lived.
And the state of education in Wales is a disgrace. Though Member of Parliament for Coventry in England, I am a Welshman. It is wrong to spend more money on education in England. And there wouldn't be so many riots in Wales if the people were given more education. The Welsh language is holding them back. They must be taught to speak and read English. They must be given a chance to get on in the world. I demand that the government send some inspectors to report to us on the state of schooling in Wales.
You do speak English, I hope?
Yes.
At
But
You've no idea what trouble we've had.
who are you?
we, my dear, have come to Wales
To sort the rebel out.
Policeman.
Hum? No. No, we are government inspectors.
Oh.
a one, a two, a 1, 2, 3.
We've been sent from friendly London to the wilds of wicked Wales. Lingen, Simmons,
And Henry Johnson to find out why these people are all going off the rails.
Lingen, Simmons,
And me.
But
We're going to visit every schoolroom, make a note of how it looks.
Lingen, Simmons,
And Henry Johnson, and then we'll print our findings in a series of blue books.
Lingen,
Simmons and me. Wales, yes, I know. I can tell that from the smell, girl. Right, let's get down to business. You, boy. No, I'm not talking to the wall. I am talking to you, boy, on your feet. On your feet. Feet, child. F-E-E-T. On your feet. No, I don't want to see his feet. I want him to stand on them.
Eisiau chdi sefyll ar dy draed oedd o. Look, you'll have to ask him in Welsh. Doeddech chdi'm yn dallt y boi nag oeddacht? He doesn't understand, you see. Doeddech chdi'm yn dallt beth o'n ddeud nag oeddacht? They don't understand English.
Well, that, my dear, is painfully obvious. Stop snivelling, boy!
Ta-dai.
Ateba di gwestiwn y dyn ma rwan, Ginny me.
I'll ask this one then, shall I? The River Jordan runs through Mould, doesn't it?
Yes.
Paid â gwrando arno fo. Trio dy dwylla di mai o.
Hopeless. Absolutely hopeless. The children know nothing.
the teachers know nothing.
Except in the Sunday schools.
Ha! They teach in Welsh there.
But the children there can read and write, and if...
The Welsh language is evil.
The Welsh people, immoral.
The women, filthy.
But they're improving things.
Oh, we will, my dear. We will.
Just wait till they read this in London.
There won't be anybody left speaking Welsh in Wales in 100 years' time.